Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to find trending products on AliExpress. So open AliExpress on your phone, and here at homepage, pay attention to those banners. So you can switch to sites and you see here winning products. Enter here and this will be the products that are popular, and also you can go to this shop section at the bottom side of your screen and also enter section top selling. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.